Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make a PHP MySQL system for shopping cart. So through that, the user can add products from the categories to his shopping cart, and he can able to process the shopping cart. He can able to update, delete, and how he can make the checkout process using the right. So we have to work with the previous lessons. In the previous lessons, we get this categories navigation using in the home action.php. We have already done that one here. Select count item products category, and here class category. Here for the category name we are linking that to store.php. So when the user select the electronics, it have to show all the electronics item. When you select a ladies wear, it should have to show all the ladies wear, men's wear. Now it's not working here. It's not working, right? So we have to make that one. So here we are linking that one to store.php. So we have to make our store.php. This is the code I have added. So in the store.php, we have to include the header. In every page we need the header, right? There are some JavaScript, right? You can go through this code, right? And there are some PHP code also, right? Here this is the code here, right? So here we can select, we can see the PHP fetching the details. Actually it's in the action PHP. Here div IID get category, right? So get category, we have to write another file called action.php. In the action PHP is another different file. So what we do here, I will copy this code, right? Better to you have to self-study all these codes. I can give overall idea, and I will make a new PHP page. And I will save that one as we have to check sometime the commands, right? File, save as. I will save store.php and click save. Says already exist. Anyhow, we will, right, I will replace that one, and we will check that page what's happening. Right, here electronics is going to the store.php, but it's not showing the products because in the store.php we have calling a function. Here in the store.php we are calling a function, PHP function, called get product. Yeah, get product home. So that is, we have to in the action.php we have to create a action.php. Here in the action PHP, the session start, including the connection. Here select all from categories, running the query, getting all the categories, and again select all from as count items from product, where product category is equal to I, the $I. Here from here we are getting the I value. After that we are getting the I value and fetching the details from the database. So I will add this code. You have to self-study all these codes. What the concepts are we already learned. So we have to make another page called action.php. So I'll go to File, New, Create, and delete the existing basic course, and I'll save file, save as action.php. Right, now we can able to, so here when I click electronics, it's showing the electronics. When I click ladies wear, menswear, I think it should be refreshed. Again I'll click refresh. Ladies wear, something, only the electronics are here. From here, ladies wear, kids wear, furniture. Okay. So we have added the product. Right, now we can able to, we made the users can select the products by category. Now when the user enter add to cart, it should be added to the cart page. So we have to create a table. We have to create a table called cart. So create table, if not exist, cart, ID, auto increment, TID, product ID, IP ID, user ID, the quantity, how much the user selected. So you have to get the user, who is the user adding the products, and the product ID and the IP address and the quantity, right? And after that we are adding some sample data. This is the normal ID, product ID, user ID, who are the users, and what is the quantities, some records. So we will create the table and we will insert some sample records in our database table. In my case it's online shop. Go to SQL. So I'm creating a table called cart and I'm inserting some values. Right here, that is the cart. It's a local host now, that's why it's coming like the IP address. Right, everything checked. Now we have to add some more code to the action. Add the following code to the action. We have already created the function called add to cart. Right, so we are posting that to cart link. We are posting here in our action.php. we have the add to cart button. From there we are passing the value using the get method to the shopping cart. So we have to add this ID from the session. We are maintaining a session to identify who is logged in. Right, so we have to insert the records, right, to the cart table. So we have to add all these code there. So in the cart, after adding, you have to give the delivery address, all the details. That there are some forms, right? The details of the customer, the details of the delivery address and everything, all are included here. So in the action PHP, we have some code there. After that also we have to add some codes. Yeah, and wait out the command. If the commands have went to multi lines, we have to correct it. Now I will save this one. Right. Now I will refresh the page. Add to cart. So product added. We added a phone. I go to ladies wear. I will add from there. Here too, it's automatically all the Ajax. I will show that one. I have added all the Ajax JavaScript in the file. Here it's in the JS. All the JavaScript files for the Ajax I have in the action.php. Everything is there, right? You can study that one, right? And get experience. Right? I'll go to furniture. I will add the card. After that, you can click the card, and here you can see the details. Click edit card. We have to make the card.php. So we have to add the next. We have to add the page card.php. We have to create a page called card.php. So this is the card.php. So it's a small file. In the card.php also we have to show the header, and we are calling a function card checkout. It's in the action.php, right? All are written in the card.checkout action.php, right? And the footer page also. So we have to make a page called card.php. So I'll go to file, new. I'll create a page. File, new, PHP page. And I will save that one as cart.php and click save. Now when the user click cart and edit cart, you will hear to update, and everything is written in the, you can delete it here, right? And you can get the total, right? Everything is written in the action.php, the above code here. The rest of the action PHP. Now we have to make the another page checkout PHP, right? So user is, after that user is going to click the ready to checkout. So checkout PHP, here we have to include a header, right? And some CSS. And here you are getting the user ID, right? And the billing address and everything, the delivery address, everything. So that is right with the page called name checkout.php. Copy, we'll make a new page. File, save as. Checkout.php. Checkout.php. Yeah. We'll save this one. Right. Now here, when I click, I will refresh the page, right, and click ready to checkout. So here billing address, all the payment gateway, the card, and everything will be shown. So when you click checkout, online checkout, So here how to integrate a payment gateway to your website. The integration process of a payment gateway requires some technical expertise. While most banks provide services that help you with integration, Progress, other payment gateways in Sri Lanka like 2Checkout and WebEx Pay has self-service model. Your business has to be registered in order to qualify for the payment gateway in Sri Lanka. The banks and the payment gateway providers will not allow you to start processing online payments if you are not officially registered as a business in Sri Lanka. Make sure your company also has the following details on hand before starting the payment gateway integration process. The business registration details, an official working website to carry out transaction, a payment gateway application. Once you have your business registration details and a website set up, you can contact your payment gateway service provider to get your hands on application for a payment gateway. The bank or the payment gateway service provider will then assist you to complete the integration progress. So after when you click here, checkout progress, when you get a payment gateway, the bank or the payment gateway will give you a redirection page to the bank page or the gateway page. It will be not your page, that's going to be your bank page, the page of the payment gateway. From there, they will process the payment because you don't have any rights to process the payment from the customer to bank. Right. So the bank will give a redirection page with a technical assistant. So anyhow, I have given the code how it will be useful after getting the assistant from the gateway. That is a checkout process.php. So in checkout process, after the payment gateways went to the when your details are redirect to the bank page, they will do the transaction, and again the bank will be redirect to you. From there, you can delete all the details from the cart, and you can update the customer details from this page. So here, so try this one, and you have to self-study mostly to get these things.